Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica ATS rear entry mobility van. Stock number CP17056T. Now this is a Touring L 2022. It's a dark gray, like a ceramic gray in color, I do believe they call this. It's got 46,800 some odd miles on it. So it is pre-owned. Good looking vehicle. This is equipped with an ATS rear entry ramp mobility van there. Now this one does come equipped with 17-inch painted aluminum wheels. Yokohama tires look to be like the brand new. Of course, in the Touring L, you get the leather seating here. Nice console. Power seats front too. Big 10.1 touchscreen radio with Android Auto, Google CarPlay on it. Of course, you've got your cruise control. That is Uconnect 5 radio for your hands-free telephone. Of course, you got fog lamps, automatic lamps, auto dimming mirror, memory seats for the front two, power windows, locks, mirrors. Of course, keyless entry. Just got the little buttons here to pop to unlock the doors here. Now you've got two jump seats here. Now they are fixed. They can be unbolted if you need more room. Does come with a box of Q restraints, brand new. 4 Q restraints to hold the chair down, or scooter, or what have you. Now these two windows here are power. They'll go down about halfway. They've actually got some shades that you can pull. Rear AC and heat. ATS logo. ATS vans, they are ADA compliant. And you've also got rear backup sensors, rear backup camera, rear wiper, power lift gate. Brings you to the ramp. This ramp is 34 inches wide. Effort, I don't want to call that, doesn't take much effort at all. It's not heavy. These things are usually shock assisted, the ramps on here, so very easy to pick up and down, close. Then we do have, once you get in here, the Q strength seat belt for the person in the chair. Now these seats will flip forward, not all the way, just the backs of them. Of course, like I said, if you need more room, if you want to, you probably fit 2 chairs in here if you took these out, or at least removed one. But if you do have room for a very small chair or a scooter to fit up in between here. Now this is again a 2022, but it's got options on it. You know, it's not everybody wants one to strip down. Power doors on both sides, blind spot monitoring, heated mirrors. Now the conversion on this is brand new. So it should be 3 years unlimited miles on the conversion. That would be the ATS conversion. All right, the passenger seat is not powered, just the driver's. Of course, you got the super console here. Nice van. 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. ATS rear entry conversion on it for the mobility. 46,869 miles on this van. Here at Cherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.